This is the Quntis G40 Global LED string lights. Let's go unbox and see what comes in the packaging. Around the box, you see general information about the LED string lights and just general info stuff. And as you open up the box, you see the foam wrap, and then you see the LED light itself. One thing I like about Quntis is their packaging is straightforward and direct, reducing waste. Around the plug that goes into your power supply, you have a bit of a screw that just ensures that the cable is tight and nice around every edge, and then you just pop each bulb open, and then once done, I lay that up on my table to just get it all sorted out. And one thing to note is all the string lights have clips which you can use to attach to either your line or your curtains or whatever you've done. And then of course, once you power it on, the lamps come to light. And then the final setup in my recording setup looks just like this and all beautiful. I will drop the link to purchase one in the video description and also as a pinned comment, so be sure to check it out. And of course, if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any further videos coming from me. Until I come your way again with another video, stay safe and goodbye.